Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dana. Today is a new video. I had straightened my hair about a week and a half ago and now it's looking a hot mess and I need to wash it. So let's pray that I don't have heat damage because my hair stayed pretty straight. And I think I have heat damage. But if you want to see how the rest of this video goes and if my curl pattern comes back, please continue watching. So as you see, I'm a little nervous. I put some water on it. I didn't see a click of a curl. It really tried me, as you can see my face. So I just keep putting water on it too. I see a curl of something. So as I'm like wetting my hair, I'm about to shampoo it, and I'm using African Pride's honey and coconut oil shampoo. It's my favorite shampoo of all times, and the first go around I just try to get the edge control in the front, and then I go with a second run through the shampoo for my whole entire head, making sure that it's squeaky clean. Alright, so now I'm about to co-wash my hair with the Do's One Love co-wash. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but it definitely gives me that artificial bubblegum medicine that you used to take when you were a kid. I think it was like amoxicillin, but it was bubblegum flavor. That's what it smells like to me. But I do have some heat damage on my ends that I might potentially cut off if I can't revert it back in like the next month or so. And yeah, but my hair reverted back for the most part. I'm not too mad about it. It is what it is. And now I'm going to go on with African Pride's Heat Activated Mask on my head. I've had it for months and I've never opened it, smelled it, or tried it. So I was like, it's okay. It'll do. So I put that all over my head. And then I'm going to, after I finish doing that, I'm going to go underneath the dryer because it's a heat activated mask. And see how it helps my curls pop or not. So after I'm done with the dryer and whatnot, I will rinse out my hair and see how my texture is, and then I'm going to use the Bonita Afro Balm from the Do and just do a chunky twist out on my head. And that's pretty much the end of the video. I do have some heat damage. Hey, I wasn't a professional. There's probably some things that I did do that I shouldn't have done, but hey, I'm going to keep weekly like deep conditioning to see what I can do. If it doesn't come back, then it's snip time. I have no problem cutting my hair off with the ends that are damaged because they gotta go. But yeah, so this is me doing my 3-strand twist style, which I already have a video if you want to learn how to do that. It's very simple and I like the definition that I get from them afterwards. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next one. You all have a blessed one. Bye.